What is Dostarlimab's mode of action? Dostarlimab TSR-042 is a monoclonal antibody that targets a protein called PD-1, which is found on the surface of certain immune cells called T cells. PD-1 plays a role in regulating the immune response by downregulating T cell activation. Dostarlimab works by binding to PD-1 and blocking its interaction with its ligands, PD-L1 and PD-L2, which are found on the surface of cancer cells. This action can help to restore the activity of T cells and enhance the immune response against cancer cells, leading to their destruction. Dostarlimab is being investigated in clinical trials for the treatment of various solid tumors such as endometrial cancer, ovarian cancer, and non-small cell lung cancer. It is administered as an intravenous infusion. It is worth noting that like most cancer treatments, Dostarlimab can cause side effects such as fatigue, nausea, and low white blood cell count, which can increase the risk of infection. Close monitoring and regular blood tests are important while taking this medication.